Thinking of you, the night came alive. I searched every place where you used to reside, but you were gone like the stars in the dawn, leaving me here to carry on. You linger like ink deep under my skin. No matter how hard I try to get in, the memory stays, though it fades in the haze. I'm trapped in this endless maze. I can't forget you, no matter how I try. You're etched in my soul, like the note in the sky. No matter the years or the tears that I cry, you'll stay with me till the day that I die.